Hello, and welcome to the Chanshan Centennial Library. My name is Lance, and I'm a librarian here at Southwestern Adventist University. This video is part of a series where I talk about the library, how it works, and what skills you need to do research well. In this video, I will tell you about how to filter your search results after you've done a search on the library website. Sometimes a search can be a pain because once you've entered your terms, you can be looking at thousands of results. It can be hard to tell which sources are going to be good to use for your paper and which aren't. When you're looking at your pile of results, if you look at the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a list of filters. There are a lot of options, but the two most important are pretty near the top of the list. The first filter that's going to be impactful for your paper writing needs is a checkbox for scholarly, peer-reviewed. This filter will limit your results to articles that have been published in peer-reviewed journals. Peer reviewing is a process where academics check each other's work in order to ensure that their methods are sound and that their results are accurate. Your professors are going to want you to rely very heavily on these kinds of sources, so it should be pretty much the first thing you do when you're looking at search results. The next most important filter is just below, and it's the slider bar for publication dates. Today's research is built upon the foundation of yesterday's research, which means that, generally, sources that have been published more recently are going to have better, more complete information. A nice guideline to go by is that the sources you use for your paper should have been published no more than 10 years ago. There are exceptions, but in most cases this works pretty well. In order to change what publication dates you're being shown, you can either slide the button on the bar, or you can enter dates in the boxes on either side of the words publication date. The other filters can be useful as well. The subject filter is great for adding context. If I search for potato, I can add the subject cooking to limit my results to just that context. All of the other filters are potentially useful and are worth looking at when you're trying to bring your results into a clearer focus. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for listening, and don't forget that we have a bunch of other videos that can help you out. If you have any questions or need more help or information, don't hesitate to reach out to the library at the contact information on the screen.